Hello friends, myself Dr. Hemant, and today I'm going to explain you how to crack your RUHS MO examination, medical examination of Rajasthan. So guys, your exam is going to be held on around 17th of November. So you have time in your hand if you want to score excellent rank in this exam, and for this I have a subscription program where I provide you previous year MCQ video plus I provide you important one-liners around 500 or more than 500 one-liners for RUHS examination, because in this exam they like to ask direct MCQ in the exam. One more thing, uh, also, I provide you 800 one-liners from 8 small subjects plus 100 important diseases I am going to discuss and explain you there. So, 800 one-liners plus 100 diseases video I provide you. Also, I provide you more than 500, 600 one-liners from all 19 subjects plus previous year RUHS MO exam paper discussion is there in videos. So, lot of videos available for RUHS MO exam for subscription crash course program. And guys, fee of this crash course program is just 5,000 rupees only. How to join this subscription program? Details available in description of this video. If you are interested, if you want to join this subscription program, then most welcome. You can join. Helpline WhatsApp number is also there. Your exam only 50 days are left. So guys, during same day of joining, I provide you 800 one-liners from 8 small subjects. One more thing, I provide you previous year papers solution. I provide you in a video format. Also, 100 diseases plus RUHS MO exam 600 more one-liners I provide you. Plus, I provide you 2 hour or 1 hour single rapid revision video also in this subscription program. This subscription program is more than enough to score excellent rank, more than 80%, 90% marks you are able to score from this subscription program. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, put like on it. If somebody is new on my channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye.